Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the AWS Cognito Angular. Today we are going to do with the OTP verification in the AWS Cognito Angular. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So in the previous we have done the registration process. I have shown you, right? So in the previous one we have the users Rajnikant 12, right? So here we go with my user pool. Okay, here you can see that the previous video we have shown with the Rajnikant 55, right? So here we have the details of that user, that is Rajni. You can search over here Rajnikant 55, right? So here we have the details that is unconfirmed, right? So now we are going to create that one, okay? And we are going to confirm that status. Okay, so create the new user and check that one. If you want to validate the previous user, so you have to make it something like you have to accept the email, then you have to go with the verification OTP, then it will gonna be verified. Okay, so I am doing on the behalf only when there is a registration, verify that user. Okay, so let's do the registrations. It's 55, let's add one more 5, and technical Rajnikant we can mention, and let's register and verify the OTP. So here we have the OTP screen. So Rajnikant 55, I'm going to back to the inbox and add one more 5 and go. So just now we received the OTP screen. Copy this one and here we have the screen. So here I'm going to add this one and verify the OTP. So username this one, OTP verification successful, it is redirected to the login screen. Okay, so this is here. Now we will check the user. Okay, Rajnikant, one more 5. So you can see it is confirmed now. Okay, and it's enabled status. Okay, so let's dive into the code level how we are going to verify that one. In the previous one we have done with the registration part, right? So here I'm just continuing with the next step over here. So here we have the registered component. Here we have a registration component.ts. In the previous we have the registration auth service. Register this email, password, name and the phone number. This is the dialog box that is appeared. Then we have OTP verify component. Okay, so let's go with the OTP verify component. This is the OTP verify component. What it accepts? It accepts the OTP. Okay, so we are adding the OTP over here. Okay, so here we have the email section. So we have transferred that email to login. So here we have, if the mentioned into the username, if it is username, if you are getting the username and there is a OTP code, this dot OTP, then we are using the confirm registration process. So here it accepts the username and the OTP code. Here we have the confirm registration. So it requires the username and the pool. Okay, so after this one, confirm registration, we require code. Okay, so we are getting into the code also. So username and the code true. If anything goes wrong, reject. If done, result. Okay, so this is confirm registration process. Okay, after this confirmation, go back. Okay, after the confirm registration, you can see the OTP verification successful and it will navigate to the login screen that is currently doing that one. Okay, so here we have this one, OTP verification successful, right? And here the message come up. Okay, and if anything goes wrong, it will go to the OTP verification failed, and this is, and user is not authentication if something goes wrong with that one, if you're not getting the username or something. Okay, it will go to the error message, user is not authenticated. Okay, let me wrap this, and this is the OTP's full screen. So we have auth screen, Angular router, OTP verify selector, template URL and the style. Okay, and in the registration process we have already completed that one. After this dialog box appear and we are sending the, you can also pass the data to the OTP entry pop-up if needed. So I'm sending that one, and registration error, it will throw that one. Okay, so this is that one for the OTP part. So any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.